is ready. What's up, YouTubers? Today I'm gonna be showing you the Hess Truck Rescue Team from 2019. This is the box. It's pretty cool. I love Hess. They got some really nice toys and stuff. This is the front of it. Here we got the back of it. It says 2019 Hess Truck. Here's the front of it with the 2019 front Hess Truck. This one's like got this freaking new plush toy. I'm not big into plush toys, but maybe you are. It shows all the directions and everything of what you're supposed to do with it and everything. I also want to say in this video that this isn't for kids, this is for adults. Because I might say some shit that they might not like to hear. Cuss a little bit every once in a while, just to let you know. But also, while I'm going to review this today, I want you to check out this big box of comics. I got just like a bunch of them. And I'm going to be doing giveaways. Like for every 400 or 500 maybe, I haven't decided yet. I'll give away 10 comics, just to let you know. And but anyways, let's get back onto this Hess truck. It's awesome. I'm gonna open it up. Let's go here. This is one of my favorite Hess trucks. I want to give also a shout out to Pixar 10. He's pretty badass. He does some great Hess truck reviews. But yeah, this is definitely one of my favorites. Here, start out with the smaller one. It's pretty cool. You just pull this out, and you can tow your little cars and everything. No sounds on this, but it lights up. Everybody loves the lights. I freaking love the lights. It's one of my favorite things about Hess trucks. It's pretty cool. You put them up with other nice stuff and put it on. I like to roll off a little bit, see them with a couple other Hess trucks and other things. But I really like it. Pretty cool. But anyways, on to the big fellow, which everybody loves too. I'm going to turn this one off here on the bottom. And going on to the big one. This one's cool because you got lights and sounds. There it is. I think that's the first one starting up. No. And flashing lights and everything going. Comes the next one. Got the horn. Some people call it car alarm. And then this is backup lights. Like it's backing up. And then this one I think is just flashing lights. You know. And you can go here on the bottom and do just, oops. Come on. It's so easy. There we go. Now all the lights on and not flashing. You got this thing too right here. You could press right there. Some people bitch that it doesn't pop up while you just press it down, but I don't think there's anything wrong with it. And then you just kind of pull that down, and then you can actually tow trucks here. Which is kind of cool. And They have a second one. That comes out if you want to tow it like that. You could put your car right there and it'll pull it too like that, which is cool. Put that back in right like that. Just snap it on down. Put that. Another cool part about this is when you pull this out, it works and like it's the lift sound, and then you can just drive your Hess Truck right up on it. Yeah, pretty cool. But anyways, this is the Hess 2019 truck. And one more time, I'm going to be giving away, I'm not sure yet, like every 400 to maybe 500 subscribers. And I've got boxes of comic books. I'm just going to grab a big 10 pile of them. You'll just get whatever. But yeah, give me some likes and subscribe. And I'm going to turn these lights off.
We might also sign the comics.
Yeah. And the car, I'm going to go ahead and drive it on back into the box here. If you guys like this video, like I said, like, subscribe. I got giveaways. I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace to all you people out there. Make sure you wear a mask.
We're going to be doing everything from Hess Trucks to comic books, Transformers also,
Hot Wheels, Matchbox.
We might
I probably have over 7,000 toys and collectibles.
We might do some Lego sets.
Yeah.
Maybe even just shows we see.
Here's a real cool Lego set that I got. I don't know when I got it. I don't remember, but it's Grimlock. Grimlock. There you go. And if I hit maybe like 20, 30,000
Subscribers.
people subscribe or like and stuff like that, I might give him away. But it just depends on how good.
But that's a long way away.
But that's a long way away, you're right. But like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll catch you later.
See ya.